You can restore deleted pages from the WordPress Trash or recover them with UpdraftPlus if you already use the popular backup plugin. If neither works, the Wayback Machine can bring your content back. Here's how each method works. Method 1. The Trash. In your admin dashboard, go to Pages, then All Pages, and click the Trash tab. Every page deleted in the last 30 days is stored here. Hover over the one you want back and click Restore. Go back to All Pages and find your restored page. Keep in mind that restored pages come back as drafts, so open each one and click Publish to make it live again. And that's it. To recover several at once, select them all and click Restore in the Bulk Actions drop-down list. Go back to All Pages and your restored pages are there. Method 2. UpdraftPlus. This method only applies if you were already using UpdraftPlus and created a backup before deleting the page. UpdraftPlus works like a time machine. It saves a complete copy of your site, so you can rewind to it later. But it can only rewind to a copy that already exists. In existing backups, click Restore. In the following window, select all available backup files, plugins, databases, themes, and others, and click Next. Then click Restore. The plugin scans, extracts, and restores the data. Since your deleted pages existed when the backup was made, they're back on the site. Method 3. Wayback Machine. The Wayback Machine at archive.org is a huge digital library that stores billions of web pages over time. To find your deleted pages here, they must have been published long enough to be indexed in the archive. To recover your deleted content, enter your website in the Search tab and hit Enter. Once you see the results page, simply select a publication date to search for your posts. Open the archived version and copy the content to rebuild the page in WordPress. Subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.